In the quiet moments before sleep, when the world begins to dim and the day's demands fade into the background, there lies an opportunity to embrace tranquility. Imagine a video that guides you gently into this realm of relaxation, where every element is designed to ease your transition into restful slumber. The screen opens to a serene landscape, perhaps a gentle shoreline where waves kiss the sand with a rhythmic lullaby. The colors are soft, pastel hues of twilight that soothe the eyes and calm the mind. As you watch, the sky slowly transforms, painting a gradient of blues and purples, stars beginning to twinkle like distant lullabies. The visual is simple yet captivating, inviting you to leave your worries behind and step into a world of peace. The soundscape is equally inviting. A soft melody, perhaps a piano or a harp, plays in the background, its notes flowing like a gentle stream. Interwoven with this melody are the sounds of nature, the whisper of the wind through leaves, the distant call of a nightingale, the gentle rustle of grass. These sounds create a cocoon of calm, wrapping around you like a warm blanket, each note and whisper encouraging your mind to let go of tension. As the video progresses, the focus shifts inward. A soothing voice, calm and reassuring, begins to guide you through a series of relaxation techniques. The voice encourages you to close your eyes, take a deep breath, and feel the weight of your body sink into your bed. It speaks slowly, deliberately, each word a gentle nudge towards relaxation. You are guided to notice the sensation of your breath, the rise and fall of your chest, the way the air feels as it enters and leaves your body. This mindfulness anchors you to the present moment, allowing the chaos of the day to drift away like clouds in the sky. The voice continues, guiding you through a body scan. Starting at the top of your head, you are encouraged to release any tension you might be holding. Your forehead softens, your jaw unclenches, your shoulders drop. Bit by bit, you let go of the tightness that has accumulated, feeling it melt away with each breath. This journey down your body, from head to toe, is like a gentle massage, leaving you feeling lighter, more at ease. As you reach the end of the body scan, the focus shifts to visualization. You are invited to imagine a place where you feel completely at peace. It could be a lush forest, a quiet mountaintop, or a cozy room with a crackling fire. You are encouraged to explore this place in your mind, to notice the details, the colors, the scents. This mental escape becomes a sanctuary, a personal retreat where you can rest and rejuvenate. Finally, the video begins to wind down, the music softening, the sounds of nature fading into the background. The voice gently reminds you that you are safe, that you are loved, and that it is okay to let go. You are encouraged to carry this sense of calm with you into your dreams, to allow it to cradle you as you drift into a deep, restorative sleep. In these final moments, the screen fades to black, leaving only the soft sounds of your imagined sanctuary. The world outside fades away, and you are left with a profound sense of peace. As you lie there, on the cusp of sleep, you realize that this video has not just been a guide, but a companion, leading you gently into the embrace of night.